We are in my restaurant Kanishka in Mayfair in London, and we are going to teach you 4 different lessons. And on this culinary journey, I'll take you to Kerala, to West Bengal, to Kashmir, and then finally we'll settle in Goa. You know what? Less than a quarter of a teaspoon turmeric. You just want a little bit of light tinge going there, that's it. This course is designed for beginners. Anybody who's interested in food and knows Indian food a bit, likes to eat Indian food and wants to get their hands dirty, this course is for them. I want them to learn different ways of spices, different ingredients, understand how onions are cooked, understand how different pastes are made. So there are various steps to it, but they're all embedded in each other and they flow seamlessly. Goans had lots of chilies, but I'm not going to add that many. I'm just going to use 2. But if you like it hot, please feel free to add more chilies. My style of food remains contemporary Indian, so it's kind of modern Indian. My grandfather, my mom's father, was a baker. My father, who was a self-taught chef, and he started a catering business of his own. So I grew up in a family surrounded with food. I became first Indian chef in 2001 to get a Michelin star. And my journey just kind of rocketed from there. This is what I do. I cook every day. I cook Indian food every day. I work with spices. I have my life wrapped around spices. Now, one of the biggest myths associated with Indian food is it's very difficult to cook. But I'll show you in simple steps. It's as easy as anything, to be honest. I'm keen to share my knowledge with you, so come and join me.